That was so bad. I scared you! Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Steph. I hope you guys are doing really great. It's a very beautiful day to live and damn, you look so pretty today. Also, happy Friday everyone. If you are not watching it on a Friday, then happy day everyone. So you have read by the title and I'm going to do something really crazy today. Today I'm gonna do a makeup roulette. Yes, which is basically it's a wheel and on that I have put different timings of for each product of mine. Suppose I'm gonna be doing my makeup routine however I want, like normally I do. Suppose it's time for me to put my foundation, I'm gonna spin the wheel. It will have different timings on the wheel, like 5 seconds, 1 minute, and suppose it lands on like 10 seconds, I have to put on my foundation for only 10 seconds. I get only that much time and I don't know how am I gonna do this. I don't know how well would this go, but I know you're gonna have fun. Even I'm gonna have fun. So if you do like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big like. And without any further ado, let's get started. Okay everyone, so I have my iPad over here and I have the wheel also up over here. This gives how much time each makeup product gets. The timings are like 0 seconds, like you don't get to use anything and that's the worst. And next it goes to 5 seconds. Next is 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 1 minute, and 1 minute 10 seconds. I am super duper excited for this. So we'll start off with our first product. Starting off with always moisturizer. I'm gonna spin the wheel now. Okay, not bad. So I have got 5 seconds, which is not bad because moisturizer doesn't take much of time for me. So we get 5 seconds for our moisturizer. So I'm gonna be using the Nivea Soft and Moisturizing Cream, and I'm just gonna take like a one pump, like just a little. So I'm gonna put my timer, and for 5 seconds, I'll be doing it. So the time starts now. Oh shit! Okay. That was so harsh! Okay, so my 5 seconds are done. I put my moisturizer. That was so harsh. And I forgot to take my specs. God damn it. And I put it down. Oh no. Okay, so our moisturizer is up and it's good. Now, basically, I stopped using like a primer, like a pumped up primer. But I instead start using a primer mist. So let's take our wheel roulette. Okay, so start. Okay, come on. Oh, are you serious? I got like a minute for putting up my primer. Seriously. Okay, that's not bad. I mean, it's a minute, so it will be like faster. Okay, so the primer I'm using is from the Prep Plus Prime Matte Primer. I love the Fix It primer. So I'm gonna keep a 1 minute timer. 1 minute timer is started and I have like a minute just for 2-3 sprays. Okay, we have it on. Timer on. Okay, stop. Our next step is foundation, and I'm gonna be spinning the wheel and let's see how much time do we get for our foundation. Okay, please give me something good. Please give me a minute. Don't give me 5 seconds. We got like 60 seconds. I'm so happy. That much time is more than enough for me. And we have our foundation here. I'm using the Sephora's foundation, which is oil free. So I'm gonna set my timer now for like a minute and now. Okay, I mean, oh, okay, timer done guys. I put it down. My foundation is up. I guess it's okay. We have concealer, we have powder and all to set up, so I guess it will work till that time. Now let's move with our next step, which is concealer, which is my favorite. I love concealer because we need to hide these bags, but hey, the bags under my eyes are Gucci, okay? Now we're gonna put the concealer. We have a wheel roulette. So let's spin it. Now we're gonna spin it. I guess the video is with us today. I mean, the ruler is with us today. We got 45 seconds to apply concealer. So I'm gonna be applying the Tarte Shape concealer. So I'm gonna put on the timer. Wait. Okay, my timer starts in 3, 2, 1, start. Okay. Okay, timer's off. Oh no, I didn't blend it well. I mean, roll the clip and I said, this is a good time. Oh, which is pretty much a good time. It's not a good time. Oh my god, I didn't even blend. This is so bad. I look so bad. I can tell on the camera I look bad. I can tell to the mirror I look bad here. Okay, so our concealer is done, which means now it's time for contour and give a little structure to the face. Start it and let's see how well does this go. Please give me something good. Please give me something good. Okay, so basically I got only 5 seconds for contouring and I don't think I can complete it. So I don't know what am I gonna do. Okay everyone, so for contouring I'm using Kat Von D's Shade Light palette. I basically love this and it's amazing. So I'm gonna be setting the timer for like 5 seconds. Oh god, this is so bad. 5 seconds is so less. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh no. 5 seconds off. What the hell did I do? I mean, can I like blend it? At least blend, please. I guess it's fine. I'll just blend it and I'm gonna blend it.
Oh god, this is so bad. This is so bad. I can tell it's so bad.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh god, I couldn't conceal properly. I couldn't do my contouring properly. Oh shit. Now it's time for baking and let's see how much time do we get to bake this all. Okay, start. Oh no, give me more time. Give me more time. 1 minute 10 seconds. I'm so happy. I got like 1 minute 10 seconds. I love it. Okay, so we have 1 minute 10 seconds for baking and let's see how much. I'm using the Huda Beauty's cinnamon bun powder, and next I'm gonna use the Kat Von D's. So we have like 1 minute 10 seconds. So in 3, 2, 1, start. Okay. My neck isn't even. Oh. Okay, time's up. Guys, this is so bad. This is not even like matching over here. Look at it. Oh shit. So I'm gonna wait until it bakes and I'll be right back with the next step. Hi. So this is after the baking. I guess it's okay. I feel it's fine. I know it's too cakey. I feel it's too cakey. But anyways, we're gonna move with the next step, which is brows. So I'm gonna start my roulette. Yes. Oh, okay. I like it. It's 30 seconds. So basically, I got 30 seconds for doing my brows. So I'm gonna be using, I've like used this because it has a comb and the pencil too. So I'm gonna be using the Steel Maybelline's Professional eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna do my brows. Start in 3, 2, 1, start. Oh no.
I hope you can see me, guys. And I'm doing. I should have just 45 seconds. I'm done.
Oh, and the timer is done. Stop the timer and my brows are like perfect. Yeah. Wow. I'm loving the brows. It's.
Oh my god! Wow!
It's shaped. Okay, so my brows are done. I'm happy with the brows. The next step is our eyeshadow. Now, basically, eyeshadow takes like a lot of time. So whatever I get, I'm gonna sum it up and put the eyeshadow. Okay, so since I've worn like this floral kind of thing, I'm using this Huda Beauty's Coral Obsessions mini palette. Please, God. Okay, I'm spinning it. I'm spinning it. Please, 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 please. So I got like 60 seconds, and in 3, 2, 1, start. Oh shit, I just started it. Okay, so
A new shade though. Oh no, this is too dark. This is too dark.
oh, not bad.
Stop it. Get some help.
I wanted to add the shimmer shade here. I kept it down. Okay. And oh shit, okay, the next step is eyeliner. I have my roulette and I'm now gonna spin it. Please. Okay, okay. 45 seconds. I mean, not bad. I was just hoping it wouldn't be less than 45 seconds. I'm using the NYX Professional Matte Liquid Liner, and I have the mirrors too far, so I don't want to like compress too low. So in 3, 2, 1, start. Okay. Timer is ringing. Kept it down, and I mean, it's not too bad. So okay, this is perfect. I don't have any problem in it. Now the next step is mascara. Let's spin it, baby. Spin it, baby. Give me a good number. And are you?
And I, oh!
Baby, give me a very good number. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Bobbi Brown mascara in the smoky eye. Oh, it's so hard. Okay, I need to have the wand in my hand. And in 3, 2, 1. You can't even see I put mascara. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna take my eyelash curler and I'm giving myself 5 seconds, and I can curl each 5 seconds or like both the lashes. So I'm gonna set it for start. Yeah, okay. Yeah, timer's done. See, my lash is a little like, you can see it? Yeah? You can see it. The eye look is completed. We don't like it, but we will like it now. Next is blush. How much time do we get to apply our blush? Okay. I mean, if you give me like 5 seconds for the blush, I don't have any problem. Yeah, you had to give me 60 seconds. So I'm gonna be using the Sephora's colorful blush in the shade Charmed. I'm using this since yours. So 3, 2, 1, start. We can go slow, baby. Yeah, timer done. Finish the blush. Now comes my most favorite, highlighting. We love a lot of sparkle in our life. Okay, so first we're gonna take our wheel and let's see how much time do we get for highlighting. Okay, so we got 15 seconds to highlight, which is not a bad deal actually. So I'm gonna be using the Hyper Real Glows MAC palette, and I'm gonna take my highlighting brush and I'm gonna highlight. So I set 15 seconds timer, and in 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, okay. Timer is done. So I applied on my nose. I applied over here on the cheekbones and a little on the forehead. Okay, it looks good. It's not that bad. 15 seconds is okay enough. And yeah, now let's move with our next step, which is my favorite, because above this is at least okay, but my lips look so blanched. So now we're gonna apply our lipstick, and let's see how much time do we have to apply the lipstick. Please give me a good number. Please give me a good number. Please give me a good number. Oh! Okay, I got 60 seconds to apply my lipstick. Okay, so I'm gonna be using, since I mix it, I'm gonna be using two lipsticks, which is one is from Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte good lip-like lipstick, and the other one is PS Lip Liner Crayon Duo. So I'm gonna be putting the timer on start.
Much later.
Oh, no. Shit. What are you doing?
Oh shit. Oh god.
This is perfect. This is too not perfect. Timer is done. Okay, the lips are too pink, I feel, but it's fine. I'm fine. I'm not fine. Okay, so my lipstick is complete. Everything else is complete. So I guess I'm pretty much done. Wait, how could I forget about this? Lashes. Okay, I really forgot about the lashes. Oh god, like usually I don't apply lashes like for a like everyday routine, but since it's like I'm doing like a makeup thing, so I guess I'll put up my, what do you say, I'm not getting it, leave it. Let's see how much time do we get to put our lashes. So I'm spinning it, and let's see how much time do I get to apply my lashes. Oh, 60 seconds. If I would choose, then I would choose a minimum 60. Oh wait, I have to put 30 seconds timer. 7, 3, 2, 1, start. Oh shit. I don't even know why I'm putting that song. All glue in my hand, and this looks so bad. Oh god, why do I feel it's too dark here? I mean, I didn't see my eyes. Okay, so this is all it's complete. Now let's see the most unwanted montage of this look, which is really, I'm really sorry, this is really bad, I know that. You know, do a cute transition. 7, 3, 2, 1. Hi. Okay, so I changed the hairstyle. I put it like a little half up to pony. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I had so much fun doing this. Let's not just talk about this look, but I hope you guys really enjoyed watching me struggle for each makeup product. Don't forget to give this video a big like if you really loved it, and please don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's totally free, and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe. After you hit the subscribe button, you'll get this small bell. Don't forget to press that bell. That bell will help you notify whenever I post a new video. And also don't forget to comment down the question of the day, which is, you had only 5 seconds to apply any one product. Which product would you choose? And let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. I love you, and always don't forget to keep smiling. Love you. Bye-bye.